Okay, we'll start the class. Now we'll discuss the derivation of thin lenses, formula for convex lens when it is forms real image. We already know that the lens formula. What is lens formula? The relationship between image distance, object distance, focal length.
1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f.
One by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Very good. So in this formula, now we can prove with the derivation method using convex lens and a real image. This is object height h1. This is image became the center of curvature and enlarged image. This is ray of light. Actually, it will come straight, ma. You can draw in straight, okay? Listen. So this is the convex lens, optical center O. Focus F. This is center of curvature, otherwise 2F. Okay, I consider it to C. Object AB. This is object AB. Optical center to object. The distance is U. This is focus. This is 2F2 also you can write, no problem. F dash, P dash, this is C, V dash, A dash, real and inverted image position, V, focal length, F. Now, I will take triangle A dash, B dash, O. A dash, B dash, O. A dash, B dash, O from the optical center. A dash, B dash, O. And the triangle ABO. ABO. Both also similar. This is triangle A, B, O. Both also it is similar. You know that it is similar means what? A dash B dash divided by AB. A dash B dash the side divided by AB. It is equal to the base value OB dash divided by BO. BO. This is equation number 1. Now we go for second step. That is one more triangle. Triangle A dash B dash F from the focus. A dash B dash F. See A dash B dash F. And triangle yeah, listen. Triangle A dash B dash F. For in this side, I will mark in this point. This one I will mark as a M. O M A. F B dash A dash. That is a B dash A dash F and a triangle M O F. Both also similar now. Now A dash by B dash. A dash by B dash. That is A dash B dash divided by M O. It is equal to F B dash divided by OF. This is equation number 2. Up to that, please take a notes. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Listen. This is the first triangle, first step. The first step it is related to optical center. Object position, image position related to optical center. That is the first condition. Second condition related to focus. Focus to image here also, but in this one optical center to object. This much I am taking. Okay, now equation number 2 it is done. No? In the second equation, that OM or MO, MO it is equal to AB. Refer the diagram. See here, O to M. This is equal to AB. So that equation number 2 it will modify. You will get A dash B dash A dash B dash divided by AB equal to F B dash divided by OF. Equation number 3. Now, equation number 1 and 3. Equation number 1 and 3, we get, see here, A dash B dash AB, A dash B dash AB. So LHS equal means RHS also equal. O B dash divided by OB or BO, as it is you can write BO. It is equal to F B dash divided by OF. Now I want to find the value of F B dash. F B dash. This is F B dash, no? In this question only F B dash. But I know that the value from optical center to B dash, that is V, and optical center to F, that is a small f. In these two value I know very good, but I need to find the value of F B dash, so that maximum value minus minimum value. From the diagram, the OB dash OB dash divided by BO, it is equal to the FB dash value OB dash minus OF. OB dash means what? It is the object, no, image distance. OF, focal length, divided by OF. Now, the object distance OB or BO, OB or BO, both are the same. It is equal to minus U using the sign conversion. Image distance OB dash, the value of OB dash plus V, because of image at X position. Focal length, it is OF, the value of OF plus F. Just to apply the value for in this equation, OB dash, the value is B, BO, the value is minus U, OB dash V minus OF value F, and OF value also F. Now, up to that, it is clear for you. Shall we go for next? Any doubt?
Sir.
Equation number 2, 3 completed, and equation number 1 and 3. Now we are comparing, because LHS equal means RHS also equal, and applying the value of OB, OB dash, OF. Next step, I will write here now. Just to do the cross multiple. VF equal to minus UV, minus into minus plus UF. Okay, this is equation number 4. Equation number 4, it is I will divide with the U V F. VF divided by UVF equal minus UV divided by UVF plus UF divided by UVF. Now cancel the values now. V V F F UV UV U U F F. Finally, you will get the length formula 1 by V minus 1 by U. 1 by V minus 1 by U. It is equal to 1 by F. Okay. So this is the proof. The length formula for a convex lens when it is forms real image. The derivation of thin lens formula for a convex lens when it is forms a real image. So definitely lens, mirror, any one derivation it is there. Maybe 3 mark question or 5 mark question. In this lesson, you want to focus derivation part. On 5 mark question, compulsory derivation. If you have any doubt, you can refer the year questions. Listen. Everyone listen, no need to copy anything. Listen first. Aparna, Akash, Balasunil, Gokul, Gokul Krishnan, Gautam, Luman, Maniraj, Mokshanand, Navantika, Pranav, Rahul Rajan, Santosh, Sobika, Sri Ramana, Surya Sudarsana, Vishal yes, A, Vimaladitya. Don't play anything, man. Listen here. Derivation of thin lens formula for a convex lens when it is formed real image. Convex lens, the different position. Object at infinity, image at focus. Object at behind the center of curvature. Image between 2f1 and f2 and 2f1. So in this between. Now at the center, at the 2f2 means you will get the 2f2, 2f1. Between 2f1 and f1. Now we will get the image behind the 2f2, real and inverted image and enlarged image. This is we know very well. Okay. Why we are taking that C dash C means for the derivation purpose we are taking. That's all. No need to confuse. Now the first step. I am taking two triangles. It is relevant to optical center. O, B dash, A dash. Otherwise, A dash, B dash, O. And triangle ABO. Both also similar. So that we can write A dash, B dash divided by AB equal to O, B dash divided by BO. Equation number 1 completed. Now, second step. Second step is it is relevant to focus. A dash, B dash, F. Next, OMF. OMF in this triangle. This small portion. Same formula. It is also similar. A dash by B dash equal to OM equal to FB divided by OF. Now, equation number 1 and 2 it is that. Equation number 3. At OM it is equal to AB. See here O to M it is equal to AB. A dash B dash divided by AB equal to F B dash OF. Now I am finding the value of F B dash. The F B dash alone again I will write. Listen. This is optical center. Focus B dash. F B dash. Optical center to B dash value I know that is V. And the optical center to focus, the value is F. But I don't know the value of F B dash. So that O B dash minus O F. Now it is clear. O B dash minus O F divided by O F. What is the value O B dash? It is a plus B. O B minus U. O F plus F. Just apply the values. Actually do the cross multiple and divided by UVF. Then you will get 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So this is the lens formula. I think so it is clear for you. Take a notes. Okay. Hey, everyone completed record note 8 experiment 6 activities. Completed or not? Give me a reply ma, through the chat box. With your name, I want to take attendance. Navin Raj, complete. Yeah, Navantika, Shivam Varshini. Hari, Maniraj. Mukesh Kumar, okay. Subhas, Sanjay, Manisha. Write your name, then only easy to know your names. Prasanna Kumar, Santosh K. Bio CS completed, Sobika completed, Navantika incomplete. Now, okay, complete now. Everyone complete the record now. So maximum it is possible to reopen the poll. It is also possible. So be ready for that. Not now, maybe next month. Yeah, now we are discussing ray optics. We already completed lens maker formula, magnification formula, power of the lens formula. Next, the different condition. The focal length, plano concave lens, silvered at the plane surface. But Fm value infinity, then F is equal to F1 divided by 2. Plano concave lens, plano convex lens. Please note the formulas. Plano convex, concave lens, silvered at the plane surface, silvered at the concave surface. Then it is different. Focal length of convex lens, silvered at one surface. Silvered means in this side it is not visible. Only one side. The formula, F formula, R divided by 4 mu minus 2. Focal length of concave lens, silver at one surface. Please know the formulas. Okay, next. In this formula also important one. When two lenses focal length f1, f2, power p1, p2 are kept at a distance d apart, then find the focal length, find the power, combination of focal length. So like this question you can use in this formula. Take a notes. In this chapter is very important. In competitive exam, minimum 3 questions they are asking. Whether in NEET exam or JEE main, 2 questions. For NEET exam, 3 questions. They are fixed. One is relevant to lens, another one mirror, another one that is the optical instrument, eye, microscope, compound microscope, telescope, astronomical telescope, like that. Next, the combination of two lens formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Now that lens is concave or convex, that and all you want to think. Concave, the focal length is minus, convex, the focal length is positive. Like a power also, power value concave. Concave means it is the minus, convex, the power value is the positive. Because power formula, it is 1 by f, focal length in meter. System we'll discuss after. Yeah, this one now. The silvering surface of the lens, it is like behave like a mirror. The focal length of the silvered lens. In one more question they are asking, relevant in this formula. And silvering, the surface of the lens, it behave like a mirror. The focal length of the silvered lens is 1 by f equal to 2 by f1 plus 1 by fm. Behave like a mirror, no? That focal length. It is a normal focal length. Combined together, you will get 1 by f. F1 means what? The focal length of a lens from which refractive take place twice. Fm, the focal length of a mirror from the reflecting take place. Along with in this formula also, right? Okay. Thank you.